Hello everyone, Lori from Beauty Simplified by Lori here, and I've had some requests from people who would like to see how I do my loose beach wave curls in my hair. And I don't use anything fancy at all. I use a Hot Tools curling iron. I'm kind of old school that way, where I've tried to use a wand before, but I ended up like almost burning my ear off. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this with a very simple, basic curling iron. So I'm on day 3 of my hair. I have another tool that I love to use that I put underneath here so that I can get a lot of volume. And so day 3 seems to be a perfect day for me to do a curl. So what I like to do is I like to take and section off my hair. So I'll take and put about 2/3 of my hair up, and then I'm going to start down at the bottom. Now, the idea behind these loose curls is to kind of leave the bottom part of that curl, of that hair out, okay? So that you get this like long, loose piece. Now, if you end up goofing up and doing the curl too close to the end, you can always just go in with a hair straightener and straighten it out, and it does a great job. So, in fact, almost the messier you do this look, these curls, the better they look in as the day goes on. So I know that it's hard for some of us, like crazy high maintenance hair people who think every single curl needs to look exactly right, but it doesn't, okay? So as you can see, I kind of come in at an angle like this, flip it, let it sit for a minute, kind of pull it out just a little bit further and let it fall, okay? Now, this one looks looser than this one. It's all gonna be fine when it comes together because it's the combination of the loose and the tight that seem to work the best. Now, when I do this, I like to do them all the same, well, all going backwards. Okay, some people like to flip some different curls in there going frontwards and backwards, but honestly, I just do them all back. It's because I come from Farrah Fawcett days. Yep. Farrah Fawcett. Who knows Farrah Fawcett? Anybody who grew up in the 80s knows Farrah Fawcett. Okay, now I'm going to come along and do the next section. So I just take and keep my top piece up here. And now I'm going to go in with these. Now, as far as hair products that I like to use, many times I'm like just going to use whatever is like on sale, but I don't use a heat protector, and I'm not sure why I don't, other than I'm probably just lazy. But if you guys know of a couple of really good heat protectors and want to drop them in the comments for me, I would love to try them out. I take pretty good care of my hair. I like to use Olaplex on it at least once a week, and that has done wonders for my hair, okay? So, and then as far as my shampoo and conditioner, I'm in love with the Kevin Murphy line right now. I don't know how many of you out there have tried it, but oh, and they smell so good. So if you can get your hands on some Kevin Murphy, I would do it. You might have to like mortgage your house, but not really, but you know what I mean. It's probably a little bit pricier than what I have always used. I've always used like the L'Oreal Professional and really, really loved it. The kind, it was in a pink bottle, and it's like has tons of vitamins in it, and so it saved my hair on more than one occasion. Okay, now I'm going to take this top piece. Now, depending on where my hair wants to part, is kind of what I will do with these pieces. I don't like these super tight, and sometimes if I end up with them too tight, I end up just pulling them back because it's just kind of a problem. My hair is gonna do kind of what it wants to do on any given day. I just have to be willing to like change it up. And I've never had long hair before. This is like the longest hair I've had in a very, very long time. And so it's been really fun, but I'll tell you what, the ponytails like to come in many times. So back here, you guys, I just kind of make sure it's tied up there because I want that volume, and then I just kind of pull it out and let it flip. So as you can see, this doesn't take very long. But again, it depends on how much hair you have as to how long it will take. All right, the other thing that I like to use in my hair is, it's from BB, and it's called Thickening Spray. Now let me tell you why I love that thickening spray, because even though I might have a lot of hair, it's kind of fine. So I like to use a little bit of the thickening spray in my hair, and that has been amazing. I will occasionally use like whatever mousse is on sale. Like I like Big Sexy, and I like Wiggo. So don't be afraid to try out some fun new products. And it's actually quite good for your hair to try different things. So now sometimes you can end up looking a little bit like Shirley Temple in the beginning. Now you want to let your curls kind of cool down before you start to comb them out. These ones up here are still a little bit warm. I'm just going to kind of show you how I start to piece through my hair. And I don't comb it. And again, this kind of helps when your hair is a little bit dirty, so that's why I like to do it on like day 3 or even day 4. So, and that's because my hair holds a curl a little bit better. You guys, that's it. That's how you get those pretty beach waves in medium length hair. So, and then like if you like a little bit more volume here, don't be afraid to take a comb and just kind of back comb right up there at the top, or maybe right here underneath to give it some lift right here in the front. Looks like I missed this hair right here. So that's easy. And then if you have another piece that looks like that, it's just so easy to go in and fix those up. So I'm gonna do a YouTube video of my secret weapon. So watch for the one that's called Volume. It is like the absolute best tool I have ever used on my hair to create the volume. And that's kind of why my hair has good volume today, is because of the Volume and the products. So I'm gonna link my products below for you so that you know what I use on a daily basis. And please comment, like, share, and subscribe if you would, and share these videos with your friends if you find value in them. And I will talk to you soon. Thank you.